Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to like notes on Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app right here. And once we open our Instagram app, all we have to do is to go on the home screen and then click this messenger icon right here on the top right corner. So just click it. And once you click it, you will see all the note list of your friends and of course the messages. And let's say for example that we want to like this note right here. All we have to do is to double click it. And once you double click it, there's an animation or a pop-up that says that you already liked the note. And let's say for example that you accidentally reacted to a note. So all we have to do is to click on the note. And then you will see a heart button right here on the right screen. So all you have to do is to click it. And then you will unlike the note. And as you can see right there, I don't have the like feature on the notes yet. So if you don't still have it, all we have to do is to go on our Play Store and then just search for Instagram. So what we're going to do is to update the Instagram. And then once you update it, try again if you now have the feature. But if you don't still have it yet, then it means that the feature is not available on your account or is not available on your country yet. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.